Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm getting ready to color my hair, but I have to shampoo first. So the shampoo I am using is, we gotta go over here for it. I am using this shampoo by Aveda. And I'm finished shampooing, I'll show you the color I'm using. Now I have shampoo my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. See my hair revert back to its curly type hair. I am going to use, I'm outside, so you'll hear birds and water flowing and everything. Nature. I'm gonna use this color, red, and it's by this company. First time trying them. And the instructions say to shampoo hair and then use the color. So the instructions are on the inside. You have to tear the box open so you can see it. But this is the box, the front, the back, and the instructions are in here. I have my gloves. I have my little container. And this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna open it this way. And the sun is out from under the clouds. And I am going to squeeze everything in here. Everything. That might be too much, but I won't use all. Whatever is left over, I will throw it away. Do not save hair color. It's not the wise thing to do. Now it's empty. This is what it looks like. Don't want it to fall. It's like a gel type. See it moving towards you? Yeah. Now I put my gloves on. Putting on my gloves. I hope you're having a beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. It is so nice outside. Beautiful. Birds are singing. Birds are flying over the water. It's gorgeous. Gloves are on. Gotta take glasses off. And I am going to use red hair color. This is a semi-permanent hair color, by the way. So I'm outside. Okay, let's try this thing. The liquid. It's liquidy. But it's a between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Leave it on your hair. I'm making sure I don't want it on my scalp because it's a avoid scalp. So making sure I have it at a certain section of my hair, from the ends to a certain section. I don't want it in my scalp. So my grays will still be looking beautiful. This is it. Liquid. I don't want it in my scalp. Because I'm outside, I cannot smell it. I don't know if it smells. Usually when you're inside doing your hair with a hair color, you want a well-ventilated place. Now that I'm outside is well-ventilated, so I cannot smell anything. I just got a little bit on my arm right here. We'll see if it's staying. Semi-permanent should not be that bad. The sun is blazing. I want to rinse my hair outside. Oops, some just fall on my back. I felt it. Now that my hands are dirty, I cannot put this thing off, so you're gonna go through the whole process with me. But I felt it fall on my back. I'm doing my whole head. Whole head of hair. Like a head of lettuce. No scalp. Just the ends, mid-length. The bird is having, what is it doing? Building a nest? I think it is building a nest. I'll show you how much I used in a few minutes. I want to make sure the length of the hair I want it. And I need to time myself, so I need to check the time. Yeah, that's a bird of it. Sounds like a woodpecker. I have seen woodpeckers here before on that tree. They like coming to the pine tree. Mother Nature at its best. Isn't that nice? We out in nature. And the birds are singing for us. That's nice. Okay, I smell a very faint smell, but nothing major. I don't smell anything major. Not as potent as some other ones. Will I use all? Let's see if I need all. I haven't done any bright colors in my hair in a long time. I used to do bright purple back in the day. Nope. Got it in my ear. Okay, this is what my hand is looking like. I'll show you what. This is everything. I used everything. Now I need to wipe my hand so I can put you with my grays. I don't really need you to change any other color because I love you. I love you, my grays. I love you, baby. You are my little babies. Love you all. I'm glad I'm doing this thing outside because they did say use a brush, you know, one of the hair brushes, like the color application brush. But I know that I would not do it with that, so I'm doing my hand. And I think we are good here. I am going to let it sit for the half an hour, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I took a little piece of paper. That's the color my hair is gonna look like. This is what my hair is looking like after I rinse it out. I am liking it. This is outside. I'm gonna go inside. Let's see. This is what it looks like inside. I love it. It came out nice. Yes, 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 yes. This is it. I'm gonna go put moisturizer, leave-in conditioner in there, and rock my hair. The inspirational word for today is take a chance. Take a chance. You don't know what the end result will be or might be. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and simply make up a saying, stay fabulous. Bye.